Hey guys, how's it going? Fix It with Jeff Radke. Just finishing up with the boxes. Got the new box on here. Got it all done. Got to clean it real quick. Got it all bolted up. Got the headache rack on. Looks beautimous. Beautimous. So, been working on the wiring. Finishing up, a little dusty, but that's okay. Wiring. Got the bolster on, all cleared, painted, looking purty. So we're just finishing up the wiring, touching up some stuff. Got the the mud flaps brackets. We got those mounted. We got the fender brackets. Those are welded and painted. Getting ready to put the fenders on. So we're coming along. Getting there. So just wanted to give a quick update how everything's coming. There's one of the fender brackets. The other one's on the floor over there. So just got this other box on. And then we're going to put diamond plate on top of these boxes. That's already cut and ready to go. So just wanted a quick update. Then the trailer is right out here. So we've got it all, got to touch up a little bit. Getting ready to put the wheels on. So it's coming along. Quick update. We're getting there, slowly but surely. Alrighty guys, that's it for now. Have a nice day. Subscribe and like. Fix It with Jeff Radke. Talk to you later.